Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. And I just want to show you something if you're hanging Epi leather from Philip Jeffries or something to its equivalent in thickness and stubbornness. So we're hanging the paper over these columns. Looks beautiful enough, right? But now when you get to these bricks, one comes out an inch, one goes in an inch. So I just want to show you what I've been doing. Just like you would wrap wallpaper around an arch, and in order to get it to adhere to the curve of the arch, you have to keep cutting it every so many inches. I cut my arches about an inch apart. I have a video on that. It's actually the top video on my YouTube channel. So what I'm doing here is I'm relieving the stress on the wallpaper every edge of each brick so that I slice it according to the line on the brick so that the wallpaper goes into and behind the brick as much as I can get it. Now it's a thick wall covering, as you know, for those of you who have hung this stuff. But you see, if I don't cut it, I can only get the wallpaper in so far. But if I relieve the stress at the beginning of the brick and at the top of the brick, the rest of the wallpaper against the brick fits in beautifully. See how that works? So I cut it again. This smaller brick here at the top and at the bottom, I cut it, and then it allows me to push the wallpaper in really nicely. And so you do that with each brick. Remember to change your blade very often. As soon as you feel it pulling, just snap the blade and break a new one. That's your tip for the day. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan is Wallpaper. See you on the next one. Please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.